Hi Art Scholars, it's Miss Alfaro and Miss Paula. Today we created works using recycled objects. We incorporated newspaper, old magazines, and cardboard. Art Scholars selected a theme, combining all these materials into a collage. Let's take a look at some of the art that was created today in our workshop. Well, thanks for watching. Check out some of our new True North workshop videos. They're really fun. You can do them at home. And always remember to think outside the box. Please like and subscribe.